Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always...
Brothers on the wheels, nandito ako ngayon sa Rusi, Olongapo para mag-review ng isa sa mga model bikes nila. Again, salamat ulit sa Rusi, Olongapo for giving me a chance, no, na makapag-review ng mga bikes nila dito, especially kay Surfy, yung manager ng Rusi, Olongapo, at saka sa mga staff nila, no, sa pag-welcome sa akin para reviewin yung mga bikes nila, no. So, ayun, no. So, bago tayo pumasok sa loob ng showroom nila, isa munang trivia, okay? So ayun mga brad, no, ito na yung showroom ng Rusi, Olongapo, no. So kung kayo magi-inquire dito sa Rusi, Olongapo, kukuha kayo ng mga bikes, huwag kayong mahiya sa mga nagagandahan at nagwagwapuang sales executive ng Rusi, Olongapo. Ayan po, hi kayo guys. Ayan. Ayan, no. So ayan po, no. So diyan kayo, pag magbabayad kayo o mag-i-inquire kayo, magka-cash kayo ng motor, so sila po lalapitan nyo. Kung may mga kayo concern, no, about sa mga bikes nyo, sa mga accounts nyo, no. So yan po. And then dito naman yung pinaka-office nila, no. Kung magbabayad kayo monthly, kagaya ng ginagawa ko, 2 times a month, dito ako nang babayad, no. So ito po yung pinaka-showroom ng Rusi, Olongapo, no. Ayan. So ngayon, re-reviewin natin yung model nila na Mojo 200. So ito si Mojo. So ayan.
The Rusi Mojo has equipped with the 200cc engine, air-cooled overhead valve, meaning push rod ang motor, at the maximum speed of 115 km per hour. Fuel consumption is 2.9 liters in 100 km na takbuhan. Engine oil capacity is 1 liter, carburetor type, and with a 5 gears transmission na cambio. The dimension of this bike is 1,980mm long, 830mm wide, 1,120mm high, with a wheelbase of 1,350mm. Maiksi lang pala. The ground clearance of this bike is 180mm. Not bad. Kahit ako 5'5 lang ang taas, abot pa naman. And I'm surprised that the seating position is much more comfy than I thought. And with the winding tire size of 110 by 70, 17 inches mag at the front, and 130 by 70, 17 inches mag at the rear. Well, kahit hindi ko na test ride ang bike, I'm pretty sure na maganda ang performance nito sa liguan at bangki-bangkingan. The Mojo has a disc brake at the front and disc brake at the rear. Swabe pala pag humihinto ito ah. And with the inverted port in the front and monoshock at the rear. Ay, swabe sa lubak. Okay brothers on the wheels, let's go to the features of the bike. The bike has a digital speedometer, low-rise handlebar, and with the basic switches are installed. 13 liters fuel tank capacity kasama ng reserve. Dual canister muffler, may pinagayaan ha, pero astig pa rin. Also this bike has installed with the LED headlights, LED taillights, and LED signal lights as well. Well, the seat is converted into a single-seater kung bigo ka sa pag-ibig. And if you have a commander or something like that, well, that's your wife or your GF, you can transform the seat into two. Pwede. Overall, I like the bikes for being naked sports style with the quality parts and affordable price. Hindi tayo binigo ni Rusi Motorcycle sa paglalabas ng mga model bikes nila.
Ayan po, ano, ito si Miss Noemi, isa sa mga sales executive ng Rusi Olonga po, no. Siya po yung magbibigay sa atin ng details about po sa pricing ng motor. Ayan, no. So ayun mga brothers on the wheels, no, tapos ko na reviewin yung motor. Although hindi natin pwedeng ma-test ride since walang test ride si Rusi Olonga po, no. So sana hopefully in the future magkaroon sila ng test ride para alam natin kung ano yung mga performance ng motor nila, no. So again, so sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at mag-subscribe na kayo. And then meron din po akong page dito sa Facebook. Yan po yung Short Moto Vlog, same lang din po ng aking YouTube channel, no. Salamat po sa panonood mga brothers. At once a month po, mag-update ako ng models ng mga Rusi or 2 times a month hopefully. Ayan, naulan na, no. So salamat po and safe ride.